you want to scan a document on your Epson printer but don't know the process? Well, we are going to learn in a minute. Here, I will show you the entire process for scanning a document on your printer in no time. Also, if you need more help, then you can get expert assistance just by calling at the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, follow these steps and scan your document in no time. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, open the scanner unit of your printer and place the document you want to scan. After that, move to your printer's control panel and choose Scan option. If you're using a printer without an LCD panel, then hit the Scan button. Next, you need to select where you want to scan the document. Here, we will choose the computer option. When you see this prompt on the screen, then select the checkbox and select the OK option. After that, choose the Select a Computer option. Next, you need to select the printer name and select the Send option. Once the scanning is complete, go to your computer and choose the Save option. Finally, you'll be able to see the scanned document and use it.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.